In the rolling hills of KwaZulu-Natal, a revolutionary solar product is being produced. SunPowa heaters use solar energy to heat water in settings that have little or no access to electricity and provide a more affordable, safer alternative to traditional heating methods like paraffin, coal, wood, or gas. With heating capabilities in excess of 65 degrees Celsius, SunPowa kills harmful bacteria in untreated or poorly treated water, ensuring safer bathing, cooking, and washing. The portable design is lightweight with multiple installation options ideal for informal structures.
Ngaphandle kokuthola isolar heater le besebenzisa ugesi and ugesi bawubiza kakhulu. Sebenzisa nomlilo plus sibaningi. Lokho ugesi uyabiza nesho load shedding. Sometimes besebenzise amanzi abandayo. Manje senginayo akusekulula ngoba sengiyakwazi ukugeza ngisahlupheka indaba yogesi ngiyokubiza kogesi ngavele ngibeka amanzi ngiwabeke elangeni ashise bese ngiyageza. Ngiyayithanda kakhulu le water.
We at SunPowa would ultimately like to reach as many consumers as possible within the African continent, but also see an immense benefit for NGOs working around the world in both stable and crisis environments. If you would like to partner with us in making a difference, please contact us by visiting our website sunpower.com or email info@sunpower.com. SunPowa, harnessing the power of the sun.